Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore asset management with Google Drive naming conventions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Google Drive account on your preferred web browser. Navigate to the top left corner and click on the plus new button. Select folder to create a new directory for your asset management. Name your folder using a clear and descriptive title relevant to its contents. Once the folder is created, open it by double-clicking on it. Now, let's establish a consistent naming convention for your files. Choose a format that includes key details like project name, date, and version number. For example, a name like projectname_2023-10-01_v1 provides clarity at a glance. As you add files, always follow the same naming structure. This practice helps in sorting and retrieving files quickly in the future. Next, consider using prefixes or tags that categorize your files further. For instance, you might want to label design files with design_ at the start. When uploading files, drag and drop them into your newly created folder. Make sure to rename each file according to your established naming convention. If you have multiple versions of a file, update the version number as needed. Keep reviewing older files to ensure they adhere to the same standards. Periodically organize your folder by archiving or deleting outdated files. Finally, inform your team about the naming conventions to ensure everyone follows the same system. This collective effort will streamline collaboration and improve asset management in Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.